Open your web browser and type VirtualBox. Okay, click downloads. Okay, click Linux distributions. Click Debian 12. Okay, click. Okay, VirtualBox. Now back. Okay, VirtualBox stations pack, accept and download. Click. Okay. Well, okay, okay. Now open files. Okay. Click guess downloads. Okay. Seconds. Wait seconds. Station pack. VirtualBox equals save. Okay. So pausar. Okay. Okay, VirtualBox series one. Click, right click and open with. Okay. Software install. Okay. Click on software install. Open. Okay. Application details and click on install. Type your password, enter. Okay, so power. Okay, click open, close. Okay, bueno, pues este es about version 7.1, close. Okay, está. Close. Okay, bueno, pues the extension pack, click open with VirtualBox y click install. I agree. Okay, agree. Type your password, enter. Yeah. Okay, listo. Eliminated. Okay. Yeah.